How to rotate clips in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and select the clip you want to rotate on the timeline. Next, go to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Transform, which allows rotation along with other adjustments. Apply the transform effect to your clip. In the effect settings, look for the rotation control, usually measured in degrees. You can enter a specific degree value to rotate the clip clockwise or counterclockwise, such as 90, 180 or 270 degrees depending on how you want your video rotated. For more precise control, you can drag the rotation slider or enter decimal values to fine-tune the angle. After rotating, play your timeline to see how the clip looks and adjust further if necessary. Rotating clips is useful for fixing videos shot sideways or upside down, and it can also add dynamic movement in your edits. And that's it. Now you know how to rotate clips in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.